Hi everyone and welcome to another video. This video is very different than my normal videos. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are pregnant and we are so excited about it and can't wait to share it all with you. We just found out just about a little less than a week ago. Right now at filming this video, I just turned 5 weeks pregnant. If you are new to my channel, my name is Christy Lynn. I am 29 years old and this is going to be my husband and I's first child. Let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see if you do want to see pregnancy videos at all. See you in the next one. Bye!